What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here from DHL. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. Let's in here and see what we got inside. We got a package inside a package. DHL does this a lot. It's a bind and fly with FR Sky. We know that much. It's from Aurora RC. So we got a pack of Gem Fan Flash 2540 props, tri-blades, and we have a battery strap in here, a bunch of screws. We have a nice rubbery battery grip here that goes on the bottom of a quad. So this is the mini fight, it says. So let's pull it out now. I think that's all we have in the box. And so this is it. They only give us one set of props. Wow. Wait a minute. Oh, I think 2 sets come in here, or at least 6 of the props. And so this is the mini B fight. Has these Sunny Sky 1106 motors on it. Yes. 1106 motors. 5500 kV. Looks like we have a Runcam Swift on here, or it might be one of the other copies or whatnot. Looks like it's a Runcam though, but I can't tell. I can't see the top of it to see if it says Runcam on it. But really nice looking build. Looks like the B fight actually. And I am happy to say that I finally figured out what was going on with this guy here. This is the Innov 120, and I was thinking that these motors were a little too powerful, and it turned out that there's either something up with the board's 3.3 volt pad there, or there was just something wrong with that receiver. My receiver was cutting out all the time, and I switched it over to FR Sky, and now no problems whatsoever. And I have these RJX Hobby props on it. But anyway, this video is about the B fight. I just thought about that one because it has the same 1106 motors, but the ones on a Innov 120, they're 8000 kV, whereas these are 5500 kV. So a little lower on the kV, but that makes for a better 3S experience, I think. It'll get less hot. So let's get these props on it and see what it looks like. So it did come with an extra set of props. So there's a full 2 sets in that one package. And this thing looks pretty sweet. I really like the way it looks. Has an XT30 on it already. And so let's look at this. We have an instructions manual in here. Just like the B fight. It's really only a pinout though, and instructions for hooking up the receiver. I was hoping to see the how many amps were on the ESCs. There's a 4-in-1 ESC in here, and so you guys can expect some flight footage of this coming up really soon, and ultimately a quick review or full review. It's the mini fight, the baby B fight. Pretty awesome looking. Thanks for watching.